Hello, and welcome. Today is an even snowier day than the last time I talked about snow in Germany, which was like a few days ago or even a week already. But today I woke up quite early again because we had to go to the doctors again because my girlfriend had a long time MRT because of some things I don't remember right now. And she basically had a thing that a thing around her upper body and her waist that pretty much tested the heart rate every 15 minutes or half an hour, and she needed to document that and everything. And today she gave in her results, which she wrote down on a piece of paper. And yeah, that's why we had to wake up that early. I think I woke up at like 7:30-ish a.m. and then I looked outside. It was very snowy, but the thing is, it was still snowing. So the snow was still rising, and because it was so early and it was snowing all morning, the streets were pretty slippery, which was quite fun, I must admit. Of course, I drove safely, don't you worry. And yeah, did her doctor's appointment, drove around a little, enjoyed the slippery street. Was quite fun. And yeah, then we headed back home. My girlfriend made us some breakfast, and now I'm recording this video at 10:50 a.m. The times are going good, and I'm gonna hopefully get an answer today from the one place I applied for. At least the worker told me yesterday that I'm probably gonna get some more information today from her boss. But yeah, and the other another place I applied to has given me a chance for a phone call interview, which is also quite nice. And if both works out well, I basically can decide then which place I would prefer and which place I would like to work in rather than the other. Basically, we're just gonna see which place is gonna be better for me. And yeah, hopefully things turn out well. But enough of the work nonsense. We are not here for work. We are here to play just Minecraft and talk your soul out. And yeah, it was extremely cold outside, even though it was only like -2 degrees Celsius. Like, that is cold, don't get me wrong, but the thing is, other days that were less cold, that were colder, like -5 degrees or something, they didn't feel as cold as today. I think that's probably because the weather was pretty much like a snowy storm, you know? A little snowy storm. That's what I would call it. And that little snowy storm was pretty... It looked cool, but it was very cold, unfortunately. -2 degrees especially. That was extremely cold for -2 degrees. And yeah. All I can say is I just love snowy weather. And because it wasn't just snow that has already fallen and laid outside, but it was actively still snowing. That's why it reminded me of a certain Mario Kart song from a snow map, which was quite nice. And then we listened to that soundtrack on the way home. It was a nice little ride in the car with my girlfriend. And normally I would have already done my things on Genshin Impact and Fortnite, but Fortnite is having some... What are these called? Maintenances, that's right. Until like, I don't know, 1 PM my time. Because it was at... Because they started at 9 AM UTC. Or basically the matchmaking was turned off half an hour before that, so at 8:30 I couldn't even play some not ranked matches, but I couldn't play any Battle Royale games and do my daily quests, but that's fine. Probably gonna find some time to do that later. But in the meantime, I try to enjoy this, and luckily I had enough things to do in Genshin a few minutes ago. And I had some breakfast, so I don't know, but the day's been going pretty good. But it only even started, so it only can get worse. But it could also get better. At first, after the doctor's appointment, my girlfriend suggested that we go for a little walk, but after wiping off the snow off of my car, we both thought to ourselves, no, this feels way too cold. It's not worth it going around, but driving around was quite fun, I gotta admit. Having that little ride around the streets. Even though we were driving slowly, it was quite fun. It was a nice little experience, I must admit that. And yeah, it's been a very relaxing and fun day so far. But soon it will end, because soon I will have to work once again. And I think I'm gonna take all of this with me. And in the next video, we are probably gonna head to the base again, because I'm quite far away. That's something I'm actually aware of. So we have more than 2 stacks of diamonds. Woohoo! My boys, I was successful. That was a successful mining trip, I gotta be honest. That is... Man, oh man. I'm positively fascinated by this, I have to be honest. I gotta admit that. This is quite amazing. Oh yeah, wait. Throw this away, and that should be fine. Now the inventory is full. I have almost no coal left. And that's about it. So, we cleaned up. We got over 2 stacks of diamonds, which is very, very good. And yeah, all I can say is thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for every comment, like, new subscriber. Wait a minute before I finish the intro. One thing I was also doing was playing a lot of Dead Cells last night. I finally did not play it through the Game Pass, but I finally bought it on Steam with all the DLCs. And man, I gotta say, I was awake last night for a bit too long. But it was fun playing that game once more. And I just love snow laying around. It's just so beautiful to look at some snow, you know, from time to time. I realized I'm just saying nonsense. With that being said, thank you as always for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for every comment, like, new subscriber. Thank you for 57 subscribers. And yeah, hopefully I will be able to continue this, to upload a daily video and everything. Because soon I will be employed, unfortunately. The good thing is I will make some money again. The bad thing is I will have to go to work. Not my favorite thing to do, but either way, I hope you have a wonderful and amazing day. If it's snowy, go outside, enjoy some snow, build some snowmans, have a snowball fight, enjoy the weather, because it won't be around for too long. And if you have some other weather conditions, enjoy those. Take a walk, breathe some fresh air outside, and just be happy to be alive and enjoy your life. Spread love, and as always, worry a little less, love a little more. Live your life to the fullest. And with that being said, thank you once again for watching, and till next time, goodbye!